Welcome to the Microsoft Tips Showcase, where we provide quick, single-topic videos on how to do something within a Microsoft 365 related tool, such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. Microsoft PowerPoint includes many features to make giving professional presentations easy for you. In this training session, you will learn how to add speaker notes to your presentation that you can see on your monitor but aren't shown on a projector screen. Let's start by opening a presentation. I already have one here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up in PowerPoint. It's just loading right there, and as soon as we get in, you'll see the deck. It's just a couple of quick slides that I have here. And I'm going to come down to the second slide. That's where we'll add some notes for our presentation. First thing to notice is down on the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you'll see Notes. And I wish I could zoom in there, but it's pretty hard. But it's a little icon that says Notes. If you don't see that, or if you're not seeing it right now, you can also access it from the View tab up here. But let's go ahead and click on the Notes tab, and it opens up a section right here. Let me expand that a little bit. And here it allows us to type in notes. These notes are helpful in giving a presentation. Bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3. So these are the key points you're trying to make. Anyway, so there you have your notes. They're stored in there. One thing I want to point out is that although we're on slide 2 and you see the notes, when you go to slide 1, you don't see any notes. And that's because each slide can have a unique set of notes. I'm going to go ahead and click on the notes icon again to get rid of it and give me my full view. Now when we go to present this deck, we're going to go up here and just hit from the beginning. And so here's our test deck. Let's go ahead and show it as if we were presenting on a projector. And this is what it looks like, right? You see the test deck. That's the slide everybody can see. And then over to the right, you'll see next slide where it says add notes to slide demo. That's the title of the next slide. And right below that, you'll see it says no notes. So the first slide, test deck, has no notes. Now when we click on the arrow to move forward to the second slide, you'll notice the notes section will populate with the notes that we added in. And so here, as you're giving your talk and everybody else is only seeing the main slide, you're here behind the computer screen or on your iPad or whatever device you're using, and you're able to see the notes that guide you through it, so you don't have to remember everything, but this does give you some guidance on what to talk about. This is an excellent way of keeping your slides clean, maybe making them populated with more pictures and less words, but you do have the words over here, and so you can talk to it. If you've ever been in a presentation where people read the slide, that gets kind of tough for the audience, and so here, these notes allow you to still have something you can read, but everybody else is seeing maybe an image that's telling 1,000 words. Okay, that concludes this lesson. I hope you found this tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft 365 related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, including suggestions for tips you'd like to see. If you found this tip helpful, please share it with others on one of the social media platforms or just give it a thumbs up. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join us again for other tips.